Now I am going to explain and elaborate how to calculate or how to make the design of sleeve coupling. So design is nothing but you have to calculate some of the dimension, stresses, so that it can be make a model in the software. As already we discussed what are the parameters are required to make a sleeve couplings, right? So now we are going to design. It means there are some loads which is applied to the shafts, and also some stresses are producing in a shaft as well as in the sleeve and also in the key. Okay, so basically the first step is to calculate the torque or the power transmitted by the shaft. So first formula is, you should remember, P, that is equal to 2 pi n T divided by 60. Okay, so here you have to calculate the torque, that is T. Okay, then the second procedure it will be to calculate the diameter of the shaft. So T is equal to pi by 16 d cube and the shear stress. Okay, so using this formula you can calculate the diameter of the shaft. This is the second steps. You have to calculate third one to
In this proportion, how to